From 1 bar to 5. The weBoost Home MultiRoom fixes your signal drama, no subscriptions needed. Sick of waving your phone around like a lunatic trying to find a single bar of signal? It's time to ditch the circus act with the weBoost Home MultiRoom cell phone signal booster. Covering up to a massive 5,000 square feet, the signal beast crushes dead zones in 3 to 4 rooms with zero sweat. Whether you're stuck in a metal fortress of a basement or chillin' in a rural farmhouse, the Home MultiRoom pumps crisp, powerful 4G LTE and 5G signals straight into your life. Compatible with all U.S. carriers, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and more, it's the peace treaty between you and your weak signal. What makes the weBoost Home MultiRoom the king of signal boosters? Start with the insane 100x signal strength boost that shames your old signal bars into oblivion. Unlike those sketchy boosters that choke your bandwidth, the Home MultiRoom's directional antenna laser targets the nearest tower like a boss, ensuring every call, text, and TikTok stream hits lightning-fast speeds. Plus, it's FCC certified, 5G ready, and made with premium, durable materials in the good ALL U.S. That's right, no cheapo parts or weird signal hiccups, just clean, consistent, amplified signal, baby. Here's why your wallet will thank you forever. The Home MultiRoom is a one-and-done investment. No subscription fees, no data caps, no creepy privacy trades. You buy it once, you flex it forever. Dropped work calls? Gone. Laggy video meetings? History. Streaming meltdowns? Cancelled. The weBoost app even turns installation into a DIY dream with step-by-step coaching, so no pricey professional help needed. Saving you time, money, and sanity? Check, and checkmate. Let's talk hardcore quality and durability. The Home MultiRoom isn't just tough, it's Hulk tough. Designed, built, and tested in the USA with military-grade love, this booster can take a beating from heat, cold, humidity, or even your clumsiest family member. Compared to sketchy imports that ghost you after 6 months, weBoost's craftsmanship and 250-plus patented technologies make it the top-shelf choice. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Translation: no risk, all reward. In a world flooded with knockoffs and noise, the weBoost Home MultiRoom is your quiet, powerful rebellion. Imagine actually using your phone in every room, without doing that cell signal shuffle. Whether you're gaming in the den, zooming in the office, or just doom scrolling in bed, this powerhouse makes sure your signal's stronger than your coffee. Ready to kick dead zones to the curb and boost your whole home's vibe? Then it's time to snag the Home MultiRoom and upgrade your existence.